Look, come through, pop that twat, show me how you land. I take control, I ain't no hoe, show you I ain't playing. Houston, Texas, I like them thick in the thighs. No texting, I'm trying to hit one.
How you doing today, Jay?
Okay. Shit, man, we about to hit the mall real quick. I'm about to cook something.
Okay.
What up, Pops? Man, come on, let's go.
Y'all caught getting bunions?
Bunions? No. That's some 2020. That's some new gen shit, bro. That's not our shit. That's me simply stealing from the new age.
Nah, that one ain't it.
Bunion?
No.
Bunion? Bunion.
Bunion ain't gonna work for me.
Bunions.
Nah. No pass.
Gotta get some bunions, huh?
This nigga crazy. Well, I'll call making the dessert.
Sweet ass.
Hey, yo, hold on. Hands up.
Ouch!
Oh, shit. I might be starting there for that one. Well, that's how you skip, man.
I don't skip, nigga. That's sweet. That's so sweet to skip. It's like, no, I'm just... Alright, yo, we in Walmart. They don't know. Ooh, sorry. They don't know what we could have cooked yet. I need a belt, bro. Bro, you know why I don't have a belt yet, Matt? I think I already told you. Why you think? I'm getting some steak right now. Alright, y'all. Starting off with the steak.
Oh my god, it's a bird. Oh my god, check this.
Oh my god, bro. Where's her ass go?
You want zucchini?
Do I want zucchini? No, I said no zucchini.
No zucchini.
They don't need zucchini. Alright, y'all. We're gonna need some potatoes. I thought I said Benton Harbor. I was gonna ask her about her hood. Like, I heard that was one of the most dangerous hoods in Michigan. Benton Harbor. It's in, you would never guess where it's at. Well, it's somewhere weak as hell, bro. It's like, I don't know, some weird ass part of it. What is it? Oh my god. I was gonna say, where's my phone? Alright, we got the vegetables, y'all.
Yep.
We got the bell peppers. We got green and red.
1 lemon.
We got a lemon. And we got some parsley. Parsley. Oh, we coming real authentic. Y'all, see, look, you would have sent a motherfucker like me, bro. I would have came back with the little parsley flakes in the little container. Go ahead, my guy. Oops, sorry. Y'all ain't even know I know how to whip shit. Yeah. Ooh, I stopped that bitch in time, man. Like nigga, in time. Nigga.
I've heard it. What Italian dressing?
Italian dressing on it? Alright, we back, y'all. We were trying to figure out what the recipe had Italian dressing on it. I don't know if I used that last time. What?
Alright, bro. This is when the lady, we couldn't find the lady helped us to find it in 2 seconds.
What was it?
The minced garlic.
It's in a little brand of seasonings.
Where's the secret? Is that next time?
They found it easy as hell too, bro. It's low-key insane to me, bro. It's a fucking bird in here, bro. Is that not crazy? I know one thing that caught my eye when we first walked over here. These, boy. These right here. These right here with the milk. I want these. I think they might be trash, though. I should gotta focus.
That say Tito's? Tates.
Damn, I ain't never seen these bitches. These sorry.
The reach to the stop up there.
Right here? Are these good?
Oh, they're real good.
I got you.
They're what they serve on the airplanes. I love them.
Oh, they serve these on. Let me try some of them.
They're real good.
Oh, I
Say these good. Let's see.
My dogs love them.
Y'all had these before?
No, don't have you had
They call Lotus Biscoff. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. I used to get them from the G-Way. Ain't these the Girl Scout cookies, bro? I'm tweaked out. Bitches look like the Girl Scout cookies, bro. What I want I don't think I want nothing off this on. Ooh, Jonas Brother popcorn. I don't know if I like that. Hey, fuck with the Jonas Brothers them? I was watching these niggas as a kid, bro. I thought I was Nick Jonas. These look crazy. I'm just out of my mind.
They are, bro. You ain't had those?
Whatever, how you say this shit?
Chicago style popcorn.
Okay. I don't know how to say the brand. What you say?
Oh, Craters?
Alright. Y'all, I know I'm about to spend like, it ain't bad, like $100 to watch. Ooh, we eating good tonight. But on another note, I don't really know what Shiesty. Yo, Shiesty. I'm gonna forget it and I know it. You broke my... Alright, bro. Just got back to this bitch, bro. My dumb ass forgot one thing. Potatoes, bro. But I'm about to figure something out. Figure it out, man. So shit, steak, if you know me, you know steak my favorite for sure. I forgot, huh? We got to wing something, bro. But I'll figure it out, bro. We're gonna crispy this shit. What is it? Remember I told you we needed potatoes? We never got potatoes. We also said we're gonna figure something out with the shrimp and the steak. We both forgot though, like, bitch. Got my little seasonings, man. Mince.
Butter cookies.
Cumin.
Top 5 in the room.
I got the onion powder. I got me some. That's. We're gonna talk about that later, cause that's like not in that category of what we're doing right now. Some parsley. I got a lemon, red bell pepper, green bell pepper. Talk about that later. Got some Italian seasoning, garlic powder. Well, I was gonna make some steak with the baked potatoes, you know, with the little with the whole little get up, but I got potatoes. You feel what I'm saying? You know how that one goes. How y'all say this word? Who, if anybody can say this word? I ain't giving y'all shit. I was gonna how you say this? Wash. Yeah. Yeah, that. Why we ain't get why you get mustard? I have it on the list. We ain't need it. So yeah, we got the Lotus Biscoff cookies. I know them gonna be better, bro.
They'll be better. No, they might be better to the player.
I just gotta see if these slide, bro, cause it's like she already made me grab two of them bitches off the shelf and go out my, you feel me? Go out my way, talking about them the cookies they give out on it. Bitch, fuck the airplane. Okay. So they know. I'm not gonna lie. You know why it's valid, bro? Because it's hollow. Mm-hmm. You see how it's dry? You can complain. It ain't even dry. You actually can chew through that bit. But it's on some shit like that bitch hollow enough for you to not be like, damn, this dry ass cookie. You know how niggas be? Okay. That bitch is decent though. Alright, man. They always want to be stingy with the caramel, bro. Ain't that about a bitch? Let's see. You know when a nigga comfortable and then get uncomfortable because the shit was so good. Nigga. Kill a nigga. But yeah, I definitely like the popcorn more than the cookies, but the cookies fire. Don't get me wrong, the cookies fire. I'm proud, so I can't change a thing. Mama proud, so I can't change a thing. Mama always tells me focus, you can still dream. Put my all into this shit, but gotta leave the scene. Late night smoking back to back with junkies, feeling like a fiend.
Me no nigga that ain't make it, tryna reach the top.
I just hit the lotto just the other day.
Playing $2 on $2 off the two-way. Reverb up, put my all into the shit, but gotta leave the scene. Late night smoking back to back with junkies, feeling like a fiend. Put my all into the shit, can't reach the top. But lately I've been feeling trapped just like a nigga box. What if I ever lose my loot? What if I ever stop? Ain't tryna be no nigga that ain't make it, tryna reach the top. So you for real, bitch.
Okay, she ain't satisfied, she already flooded with the flow. Okay, we on the property on them jets. We on the Island Wild and bitches trying to get me saved. Shit, I had to wait for this. I'm on military time. Test me, then it's bombs away. When you clean a nigga up like it's laundry day. Finna clown today. Man, you little nigga circus sacks. Almost lost power. Damn near put the circuit. None of that. I'm just rambling. Shit talking. That is this like high tension on my team. You can't get it past. Tapping in, wait from the bill. Straight to Dex ass. That's probably $20-something. You added up in gas. Second nigga for a lick. You lurking all up in that mask. Fear God, but I ain't never feared no man above. Call up OJ to the scene, but he can't fit the glove. Niggas think they shicey, they ain't like. Yeah, I can get a rich nigga through my wife. Say she love you, I should scream it, can you wife me? Go get a pack from Aki. Tell me where I'm wrong, that you better shit. Sloppy. I was underdog and now they asking who can stop me. Don't get that pop no spill. I feel good around the hoes, ain't gotta pop no pill. Okay. I'm gonna start cooking, y'all. Nigga Chef Mike. Okay. And go off the bell pepper side of things. Man, I've been watching this pot out for like 30 minutes, nigga. God damn, Jay. I don't even know what all these seasonings do, but yeah.
Gotta do something, don't you?
Gotta do something in the recipe now. I was thinking about the broccoli with the cheese. We just went in there and fucked around. What the fuck was we doing? Alright, bro. Okay. I'm bullshitting. I gotta clean the shrimp because I hate cleaning the shrimp because that shit takes so long, but I can't eat the shrimp if I don't clean the shrimp because that shit's so like OD nasty. What? If you don't clean your shrimp, I don't trust you. But yeah, man, back to regular scheduled programming. Okay.
Hey, you want more? I want, bro.
What? That's the next part right there on the other thing. Back to the regular scheduled programming. Okay.
I can't get a lion.
A lion, bro. This nigga just be asking for all types of crazy shit like this. What, bro?
Walmart is selling $7 machetes.
Bro, like, why is they selling machetes at Walmart for $7? That's high key insane.
And I'm mad I haven't purchased.
I'm not gonna sit here and act like that's not insane.
And I'm mad you won't let me go grab one of those.
Man, we got a measuring cup.
And don't be fucking, bro. Ah, fuck. It's right there, bro.
Like, yeah, nigga. Hey, bro. Ain't none of y'all niggas beat me on Madden, nigga. Add me on that bitch. Hey, nigga, the moving that bitch up the field on my dumb ass.
No, you're not going.
I'm not going. Yeah, we can. What happened?
Huh?
This nigga, dog.
This reminds me of the hanging tree, bro. Why don't you rock with Katniss Everdeen, bro? She's one of the goats, bro.
I fucked the bitch.
Hey, watch out, bro. Watch out, bro.
That's about it. You went to the game?
No, should we just watch?
Man, shit. Niggas recording some other shit, man. I'm about to make something to eat.
Song for YouTube.
It just got the camera going. Yeah, nigga. Talking about them niggas they give out on it. Bitch, fuck the airplane. It's not even lit, bro. Mind your fucking business.
That's a bigger nigga. They ain't gonna always have the big nigga shit.
See me and you trying to see what's up?
Crazy.
What that is?
I'm insane.
Yeah.
I'm insane.
Came from nothing, been some days, now I'm on the rise. I need you present, every day I know I'm worth the price. It ain't worth my pride, yeah. It ain't worth my love, and I really